Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. WhatsApp allows you to share snippets of your daily life on your status, but posting one picture at a time can be time-consuming. In this video, I'll show you how to post multiple pictures to your WhatsApp status simultaneously. Let's go. There are two ways to do this, but I'll show you the faster one first. Open WhatsApp on your phone and go to Updates, where you'll find My Status. Tap on it. Choose one photo and tap the Add button at the bottom left corner. Next, choose additional photos you want to include on your status. Tap on Next when you're finished, and then hit the Send button to post your new status updates. If you prefer selecting pictures from your gallery, open Photos and choose the images that you want to post. Once you're done, press the Share button. Find the WhatsApp icon and tap on it. Select My Status. And then tap Next to proceed to WhatsApp My Status screen. As you can see here, all selected pictures are displayed. Finally, tap the Send button to share new status updates. Regardless of the method you use, you'll be able to add multiple photos to your WhatsApp status. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.